light. We are continuing the same light. Today, let us see about Einstein. Let me tell you a small story about Einstein. Einstein, one of the very important scientists in physics, in the field of physics, and the inventions and the discoveries done by Einstein. Let us have a small discussion. Coming to E is equal to mc square. One of the most important equation given by him is E is equal to delta m into c square. E is the energy, delta m is the mass defect, c is the velocity of light. This was a formula given by Einstein. See, why I am discussing about this formula is because today we are talking about light. Sun is the main source of energy for us, especially light energy for us. And what is happening on the sun and how the sun is continuously giving light. See, on sun and all the stars, the main fuel is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the main fuel. And in the case of any chemical reaction, the reactants and the products, the mass of the reactants and the mass of the products is always constant. So that is called the law of conservation of mass. But in the case of nuclear reactions, mass is not conserved. Mass is changing, and this nuclear reaction is taking place on sun. Again, in the case of nuclear reaction, we have nuclear fission reaction and also nuclear fusion reaction. And in the case of sun, we are observing that nuclear fusion is taking place. In the process of nuclear fusion, the hydrogen molecules are combining, giving rise to helium molecule. And in the process of that reaction, slight amount of mass is disappearing. And that mass which is disappearing is converting into energy. And this is the equation related to that. So delta M is a mass defect. Means the hydrogen atoms are combining, giving rise to helium. But here the mass is not conserved. And this amount of mass which we call as a mass defect, or the difference in the product and the reactants, that mass is converting into energy. This equation was given by Einstein, one of the most important equation, which is a basic equation where we use it for atom bomb, nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, nuclear reactions. In any of the nuclear reaction, mass defect will be there, and that amount of mass which is disappearing is converting into tremendous amount of energy. This is one of the wonderful formula given by Einstein. For example, let us see a small calculation. If 1 gram of mass is getting disappeared, if 1 gram of mass is disappearing, how much energy is produced? Let us have a small calculation in MKS system. Means a mass defect, let us take the mass defect is equal to 1 gram. Because this gram is in serious unit, let us convert that into 10 to the power of minus 3 kilogram. Because kg means in MKS system, we measure mass in kilogram. C is the velocity of light. Already we know that it is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. This is the velocity of light. Already we have discussed about it. Now multiplying these two, that is nothing but E is equal to delta M, means 10 to the power of minus 3 kilogram into C square. C square means 3 into 10 to the power of 8 whole square meter square by second square. See, when there is C square, even the units also must be given the same power. So now 3 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 3. Now 3 square becomes into 9 into 10 to the power of 8 whole square. 10 to the power of 8 whole square means 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. 8 to the power of n whole to the power of m is equal to 8 to the power of n into m. Means the powers will be multiplied. that is 20. I think you might have understood. The powers must be multiplied. So now in this case, 10 to the power of 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16. Now kg into meter square by second square. Now I am putting this kg, all the units at the same place. Now this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 16 minus 3. This is 16. This is 16. The base is 10. Here also the base is 10. The power is minus 3. Already you know that if the bases are equal, x to the power of n into x to the power of m, we can write it as x to the power of n plus m. When the bases are same, we can add up the powers. The same thing we have done here. Bases are the same. So 16 minus 3 in kg, the same thing goes. Kg meter square by second square. Now that is equal to 9. See, 16 minus 3 is 13. So 13 zeros you can now put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See, this is a big number. Now international system, let us count the international units: 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, 90 trillions of kg meter square by second square. We can even call it as joule. We can even call it as joule. Joule is a unit of energy. So, if 1 gram of mass is getting disappeared, 90 trillions of joules of energy is given. Means if 1 gram of mass is being disappeared, 90 trillions of joules of tremendous amount of energy is coming. This is existing on all the stars and all the sun. So, sun and stars continuously from crores of years, they are continuously emitting energy, light energy, because of this nuclear reaction, nuclear fusion reaction. During the time of nuclear fusion reaction, 4 small hydrogens, hydrogen H11, 4 small hydrogen atoms are combining, giving rise to a big helium molecule. See, there is another, means in the process, some amount of mass is disappearing. That amount of mass is converted into tremendous amount of energy. So this nuclear fusion reaction is taking place on the surface of the sun. That is the reason why the fuel, that is a fuel, hydrogen is a fuel. On the sun, on the stars, for all the heavenly bodies which are illuminating bodies, self-illuminating bodies. Self-illuminating bodies means they are giving light by themselves. Their nuclear fusion reaction is taking place. So my dear friends, the same principle was involved in the hydrogen bomb also, in the manufacturing of hydrogen bomb, and this formula was given by Einstein. The most important formula which was given by Einstein, just he told this formula with his common sense. That is the greatness of Einstein. So let us thank Einstein for giving a tremendous formula for us. And my dear friends, now you might have understood one of the very important discoveries of Einstein. And the second one, that also is one of the very important thing given by Einstein, that is the photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is nothing but today this energy is nothing but economy. We can even say energy and economy both are directly proportional. So my dear friends, the solar energy can be, by using the solar energy, we can convert the solar energy into the electrical energy. As a result, we can reduce the pollution, that is a green energy, clean energy, and we can increase the economy of this country. So my dear friends, in that particular case, the photoelectric effect is a basic principle which was given by the second important thing given by Einstein. That is nothing but the photon, the energy which is coming from the sun, is that energy is removing the electron, that energy is pulling the electron, and the flow of electron is electricity. So this phenomena is called the Einstein. So my dear friends, the third one is special theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity is one of the very important discoveries of Einstein. Before Einstein started discussing about this special theory, Newton was a very important person who was discussing about the Newton's laws of motion. Till then, Newton's laws are correct. But after Einstein started discussing about the special theory of relativity, he gave the concept of inertial frame and non-inertial frame. There are two frames of reference. Einstein brought the non-inertial frame of reference into consideration. Till then, Newton considered only inertial frame of reference. Now, after Einstein started discussing about the non-inertial frame of reference, the special theory of relativity is one of the very important contributions done by Einstein. For example, one small story I would like to tell. Here, Einstein is a native of Germany, but he went to US because of different reasons and continued his research in US. And when he presented this paper of special theory of relativity, many professors did not understand, and there was a kind of ego problem, and he wanted to teach a small lesson. This is a small fun story. So my dear friends, Einstein was giving his suit to his driver who is driving his car. So now the driver went as Einstein to the seminar, and Einstein went in the driver's dress as a driver. So the driver is now standing to give the seminar with the file and distributed all the copies to all the scientists who are sitting. And finally, the special theory of relativity is discussing about the non-inertial frame of reference, and which is completely new. Till then, people didn't use that frame of reference. So my dear friends, the professors are not able to, the scientists are not able to understand it. Now the driver says, even my driver can understand. So now the driver came to give a discussion, to give a seminar about the special theory of relativity. And after the delivery of the speech given by Einstein, the people who are sitting feels that if the driver is telling to this extent, what about the scientists, the real scientists? So in that way, Einstein have given a great theory called the special theory of relativity. And here, just for a common person to understand, one of the common man asks Einstein, see, you scientists can understand all these things, but we people cannot understand all these things. Special theory of relativity means what? What does it mean? Means how should we understand? Then Einstein says, theory of relativity is nothing but, he says, for a common man to understand. For example, you are sitting with your best friend. You are sitting with your best friend. An hour passes like a minute because you are very happy in chatting. You are loving. So definitely the time is going very fast. The time is going very fast. In the second case, you are having in the second case, keep a pan, a very hot pan on the stove where you do the chapati. In the place of chapati, you put your hand. So now it is very hot. Now your hand is there on the pan. You have been asked to keep the hand for 1 minute time. The 1 minute will be passing like an year time. Because it is very hot. Your hand is boiling. When your hand is boiling, every moment is passing. The time is becoming very lengthy process. Now this 1 minute is passing like an year time. It's not moving. The time is not moving because the fellow is suffering. Here he says, it's a relative thing. Time is a relative thing. If you are happy, time is going very fast. If you are unhappy, the time is going very slow. So time is also a relative thing. See, is stationary. No, Earth is also moving. So you must consider the movement of the Earth. When you are studying about the other planet, you must even consider that your system is also under motion. So in that way, he gives an explanation even as a common man can understand. So the special theory of relativity is one of the very important contributions given by Einstein. And the next one is the Brownian motion. Coming to the Brownian motion, if you take any fluid, the molecules will be constantly, randomly, continuously making elastic collisions and continuously moving. So this movement is being clearly observed and discussed by Einstein in his Brownian movement. So my dear friends, Einstein has given a great contribution. Remember that Einstein is a backbencher who was always taking punishment from the teacher, standing on the last bench. So my dear friends, he used to get all the time, he used to fail in many of the subjects except the maths.